Boiling corn on the cob is a simple and quick process that ensures the corn stays tender and retains its natural sweetness. To begin, you'll need fresh corn and a large pot of water. Start by removing the husks and silks from the ears of corn. Rinse the corn under cold water to ensure it's clean. Fill a large pot with enough water to cover the corn completely. Add a pinch of salt if you like, but this is optional. Some prefer not to add salt as it can toughen the kernels slightly. Bring the water to a rolling boil. Once the water is boiling, gently place the corn into the pot using tongs to avoid splashes. Make sure the water covers the corn fully. The ideal boiling time for corn on the cob is 4 to 6 minutes. Fresh corn doesn't take long to cook, and overcooking can make it mushy. For perfectly tender and sweet corn, start checking around the 4-minute mark. Larger or older ears of corn may need closer to 6 minutes. After 4 minutes, remove an ear of corn with tongs and pierce a kernel with a fork or knife. If it's tender and bursts with sweetness, the corn is ready. If not, continue boiling for another 1 to 2 minutes. Once the corn is done, remove it from the pot and let it cool slightly. You can then slather it with butter, sprinkle salt, or add your preferred toppings like cheese or herbs. In just about 10 minutes, including prep time, you'll have delicious, perfectly boiled corn on the cob ready to enjoy.